Do you know that early disease screening is a fundamental and significant step in proper healthcare? Ang pagkakaroon ng early detection sa mga sakit ay maaaring magsilbi upang ang ating mga pasyente ay una, mas magagamot natin sila ng maayos. Ma'am, ito po yung gamot ninyo, magpagaling po kayo. Pangalawa, mas makakaiwas tayo sa paglubha ng mga sakit at maaaring maiwasan na rin ang mga invasive procedures. At pangatlo, mas maitataas natin ang survival rates ng ating mga pasyente. In the Philippine context, early screening is not commonly conducted. The question is why? Summarized here in this paper says na una, Filipinos are usually enough and sufficient na with supplemental medicine or yung over-the-counter drugs. Pangalawa, Filipinos usually rely on self-remedies and instead of having check-ups, they usually go to albularios, alternative healers, herbal healers. Now, another reason why mababa ang early diagnosis sa ating bansa, excluding yung patient factor, is yung una is yung deficiency in healthcare facilities. Pangalawa is yung available services, konti lang. And pangatlo is yung even yung personnel doon sa facilities natin are insufficient here in our country. In the Philippines, like many other countries, several microbial infectious diseases pose a significant public health challenge. Most of the time, these microbial infectious diseases are poorly diagnosed. Hence, this is the reason why they are transmitted in a fast rate. The most common microbial infectious diseases here in our country includes tuberculosis, pneumonia, dengue, leptospirosis, meningitis, and hepatitis.
Alam niyo ba, sa kasalukuyan, meron ng mga non-invasive methods para sa detection ng mga sakit? Meron ng mga studies na maaari na gumamit ng breath analysis para sa early screening ng mga sakit. So this method can actually detect gas analytes such as volatile organic compounds and inorganic gases, which is served as biomarkers for various diseases. Nauuso na rin ang mga AI or artificial intelligence. Usong-uso ito ngayon sa paggawa ng art or music. Pero hindi lang sa arts na gagamit ng AI. Artificial intelligence is now a booming trend in digital medicine. AI has been integrated in imaging interpretation, disease diagnosis, and prediction. What if meron palang early detection related to respiratory-associated disease? And it is through breathalyzer. Breathalyzer aims to be a means for respiratory-associated disease surveillance, integrated with a data processing capacity of AI within the Philippines.
So, why is the breathalyzer much needed? The breathalyzer offers non-invasive and early detection of microbial pathogens. This allows us for the identification of asymptomatic cases, which can actually help us to prevent the further spread of the disease. The breathalyzer also allows healthcare providers to monitor disease progression and treatment response of the patient by tracking changes in the microbial load. Collective analysis of breath samples enables the detection of increase in disease-specific biomarkers, serving as an early indication of outbreaks. But wait, there's more! This technology facilitates geographical mapping of disease prevalence, providing us insights into the spatial understanding of disease-prone areas, which allows us to focus surveillance efforts in areas where they are most needed. Lastly, healthcare providers can gain useful insights into disease transmission patterns, risk factors, and vulnerable patterns by cross-referencing breathalyzer findings with demographic data, travel history, and clinical information.
So, how are we going to implement our breathalyzer plan? First of all, we will be getting our legal basis, which will be RA 3573 and Resolution WHA 48.13. These two will be our legal basis in conducting our breathalyzer plan, along with the protocol of the Philippine Integrated Disease Surveillance and Response Protocol, which is widely used in the Philippines, which is to monitor, survey, and respond to all known and unknown diseases. As previously introduced, breathalyzers are AI-supported early detection tools that detect biomarkers. Biomarkers such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, alkanes, ethanol dihydrogen, and carbon-13C dioxide. Breathalyzer tests are divided into two categories, the endogenous test and the exogenous test, such as the capnography, fractional, exhaled nitric oxide test, carbon monoxide test, heart's breath test, breath alcohol test, hydrogen breath test, urea breath test, gastric emptying breath test, and the maximum liver function capacity test. 3. In which we would be distributing AI-powered breathalyzers throughout the country. With the help of the local government units, we would be collecting data through AI, in surveying and monitoring Philippine disease epidemiology simultaneously. Diseases such as asthma, COPD, Parkinson's, diabetes, tuberculosis, Pseudomonas, and our favorite, COVID, which had been proven to be detectable using breathalyzers by the paper of Yang et al. 2021.
So here is where the breathalyzer comes in play. So this isn't just another breathalyzer, it is equipped with advanced selective nanoscale sensors. So these sensors function using a lock and key mechanism for precise detection. So these sensors are a part of an artificially intelligent nano-array technology, also known as electric noses. So this technology mimics our natural olfactory senses as described by Kalumenu in 2002. The breathalyzer connects wirelessly to an AI database which can be updated in real time as new studies emerges. So this means that the device can continually improve and adapts, ensuring the most accurate data collection possible. So combining AI with advanced breathalyzers can revolutionize early detection, predictive modeling, and surveillance of diseases. So this technology makes these processes accessible and affordable, especially for third world countries, reducing the need for unnecessary, time-consuming, and expensive diagnosis tests. So with these innovations, we move closer to a future where we can swiftly and accurately combat epidemic outbreaks, ensuring a healthier world for all.